In today's online EVS class, we are going to start a new chapter Means of Communication. Subtopics to be covered are Meaning of Communication, Olden Means of Communication, Postal Communication, Electronic Communication, Mass Media, Artificial Satellites. Communication is act of giving, receiving and sharing information with others. People communicate through languages both spoken and written. Spoken languages include conversations and speeches. Written language include books, newspapers, emails, etc. In every communication, there is always a sender who sends messages, a message or information to convey, and a recipient, a person who receives information. In today's life, we can talk and connect to our friends and relatives anytime from any place on mobile phones, emails, etc. But in ancient times, people sent messages, informations through drumbeats, pigeons, messengers, or smoke. Slowly, people learned languages to write letters to their far away family members, friends, etc. The methods of sending and receiving messages are known as means of communication. Postal communication, electronic communication, mass media are the three main means of communication. Emperor Sher Shah Suri introduced horse-dog system in year 1541. Postal communication is the cheapest and most popular method of communication. People use inland letters, postcards, and stamped envelopes to send messages to others. Letters are posted in the letter boxes collected by the postman and sorted at the post offices. Land, air, or sea routes are used for the destination of letters. We need to paste a postage stamp and to write pin code with address on the envelope. We use postal means of communication for our personal or individual use. PIN stands for Postal Index Number. It is a series of 6 digits used to number the post offices in the country. It is also known as zip code or area postal code. The PIN was first introduced on August 15, 1972 in India. The PIN code of Udhampur Post Office is 182101. The means of communication which are carried over by using electronic gadgets, both wire and wireless systems, are known as electronic communication. The telephone, invented by Alexander Graham Bell, is the fastest means of communication. Today, mobile phones have become very fast and easy method for sending messages. We can send messages through SMS also. Fax is a machine that sends and receives documents in an electronic form through telephone wires and then prints them. Internet word stands for Interconnected Network. It provides information and communication facilities in a better, quicker way for us from anywhere in the world. It is a network that links computers all over the world with help of telephone lines and satellites. We also keep in touch with others using special websites called social network. Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube are common websites used by us in nowadays. Abbreviations are the shortened form of words or phrases to make reading easier or squeeze a lot of writing into a small space. Here are some abbreviations related to today's topic. GPO, General Post Office; PCO, Public Call Office; SMS, Short Message Service; STD, Subscriber Trunk Dialing. Through mass media, we can communicate to larger groups. Radio was the first means of mass communication. At one time, radio programs or news were widely popular. With the invention of television, we can get the latest news and information very fast. Mass media also includes newspapers, magazines, journals, books, etc., which are printed in many languages. Artificial satellites are objects that people have made and launched into orbit using rockets. There are currently over 1,000 active satellites orbiting the Earth. The satellites help us in better communication, weather forecasting system, GPS system, etc. Home assignment. Read and discuss lesson 15 with your parents. Thank you for being with me. Stay safe and healthy.